I love the roads in Northern Ireland right now, they're very nice and pleasant. What is up then guys, hope you're doing well, welcome back to the channel. So I'm just going to do a quick introduction right now because we are on the move, but today is the day. I think I'm probably more excited than Andy is, but if you don't know already, Andy is the guy who owns Voiceless Customs and he's the one who's also got the Frank built Fiesta. I think everyone's doing a K swap at the moment, but this guy has taken it to the next level. So a Frank build, which I will get the specifics just to double check in a bit. I think it's the mixture of the K20 engine and the K24, put them together, DC5 cams, and he's got himself a little animal, plus everything else that's on the car. He's had a lot of work done to it. But we're on our way to go see it now, and then we're going to be taking it to London to go get it on the rolling road, get a remap, get it tuned, and see how much power it can make. But yeah, I'm excited. Hopefully he's excited, but we have got like a 2-hour drive once we get to his to get to London to go get the get on the rolling road. But yeah, for you that are interested, that are probably gonna have a complaint or two. Been tested, no COVID around here. I can show you proof if you really want it that bad, but yeah, we've got no coronavirus. It was tested last night. That lateral flow when you got to put your nose here, not pleasant, but yeah, we're clean, happy days. So yeah, 40 minutes drive right away from Andy's now. Once we get there, we're gonna plaster up his car, ready for the day. Sorry, we're rolling now. Sorry, bear with guys. The quick one, we're gonna be in there within 40 minutes. Gonna go there, put stickers on his car because your boy's representing MKATTACK, and then we'll get on the road from there. Let's go. Right then guys, so we've got here now. The Fiesta's all ready to go. Listen to that roar, mate. Are you ready?
Yeah, man.
Are you ready? Let's go. Guys, we are here. I'm in absolute heaven right now. If you can see the cars that I can see right now, you would have a semi right now. And I don't even mean that in a bad way. These cars. GTR. Naughty. It's the GTR cartel. Civic. Glanzer. 350. 240. Wait, it gets better. It gets better. Mr. GTR. But you think that was good? It gets even better. Jeez. Jeez. That's all I can say is, jeez. You know. Well, I've got a job to do today, so I might actually go get some video now, but I've just come in here and I was not expecting any of this. I'll leave all the information down in the description for the dyno place, because this is what we're here for today. The cars that they've got here. Beautiful. All right then, so just a quick one before we go in. Because I've been tested, I'm allowed to go into the building, but Andy can't. So I'm gonna get all the footage for him. And yeah, we're going in now, let's send it. Hiya! Hello! Oh gee. Oh gee.
Not many that have been done. There's a girl in.
Alright then, so we're just getting ready to start up. It's all been set down, tied down, all of this exhaust stuff and everything's sorted. So I'm going to put my earphones on. Not going to have to speak for any of this because any of you that have been to a dyno before know that it's really loud, especially with this car. And yeah, it's time to make some magic happen. guys, so I don't think I've just included that, but have a guess how much we made. 280 brake horsepower, absolute mental. All I just saw was like purple flames shooting at the back. But yeah, mate, he's absolutely smashed this, and if I was him, I'd be really impressed with this build. Absolute top guy. But I'll show you the sheet outside with all the specifics on, because obviously it's different to the fly than it is to the wheel. But yeah, happy days, sick, sick, absolutely sick. That's all I can say. I told you today I was going to be sick. I don't think I've let you down yet, because sick.
I'm sick just looking in the mirror, look.
And there we go, the Fiesta's made it. How much did we make, bruh? Go on, give me some.
280. 280.
What was you going for though?
280.
Say no
280
more.
on the flight.
Smashed it. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. This is the K-Stop Frank Fiesta, and he's absolutely done bits. Mate, shout out to you, bro. You're about to break the internet.
That's what we do.
What a lad. Yeah, I also noticed that I put the front sticker on a bit wonky as well, which, yeah, I can only apologise, mate. But yeah, wicked day. Shout out to Andy for having me for today. Shout out to Perfect Touch for the remapping. And yeah, see you in the next one. Yeah, so maiden voyage. I'm a bit nervous. Shitting myself, if I'm honest. Right there, man. Oh, I should have bought some spare pants today, mate. But you fucking smashed this, bro. Oh, what a fucking animal. I love the roads in Northern Ireland right now, they're very nice and pleasant. Fucking geezer! Oh.